The older I get, the quieter the night. Folks stop calling and the phone quits its fight. I pour another glass, stare at what I like. Only thing that keeps me company is whiskey, don't talk back. I wore outlaw on my jacket, thought freedom was a prize. Never knew that empty rooms were the toll I'd pay with time. Women came like summer storms, hot then gone by dawn. Now the bed's a cold reminder of the roads I walked alone. The older I get, the quieter the night.